Welcome to Urdu in 3 minutes. आज हम बाग जाएंगे. Bagh is a garden. Come on, get up, everybody stand up. चलें 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 बाग में चलें. खुशामदीद. Welcome. ये बाग है. Bagh is a garden. Let's play a game, shall we? Let's play I Spy. So, I spy with my little eye a Darakht. Darakht is a... Oh, you guessed it. Darakht is a tree. Good job. Nice work, you guys. Let's do another one. I spy with my little eye something. Ghaas. Ghaas. Oh, you guessed it again. Ghaas is grass. Good job. चले चले बाग एक्सप्लोर करते हैं. Bagh is a garden. Let's go. Okay, next one. I spy with my little eye Badal. Badal. Badal is a cloud. You guys guessed it again. Good job. Badal is a cloud. Let's go explore the Bagh. Bagh is a garden. ये क्या है? Should I guess this time? I will guess. This is Koso Kaza. Koso Kaza. Do you know what Koso Kaza is? Ooh, Koso Kaza is a rainbow. See, you were winning all the numbers, so I thought I'm going to guess this time. And I guessed it. Koso Kaza is rainbow. Do I get a point? Am I a winner this time? Okay, let's go. Let's explore the Bagh. Bagh is a garden. Okay, I spy with my little eye something. Phool. Phool. You guys are winners again. You know what Phool is? Phool is flowers. Flowers or pool. One pool. Flower. Flower. Shabash. You guys are winners today. Okay, friends. Let's review all the words. Bagh. Bagh is a garden. And Darakht. Darakht is a tree. Darakht. Then we have Ghaas. Ghaas is grass. That is right. Then we have Badal. Badal. Safad Badal. Badal is clouds. And then we have Koso Kaza. Koso Kaza. Rang barangi. Colorful Koso Kaza. And the last one is Phool. Phool is flower. Yay! We did good. आज के लिए इतना ही. Allah Hafiz.